flying fam. It's 4 super cousins back with another video. And like we said, another day, another dollar. And today we are doing the cupcake challenge. Basically, we're just going to decorate the cupcake. And you guys are going to be the judge.
So comment below how they look and who.
And please
Subscribe, like this
and
video.
hit that post notification bell. Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Bala.
No rest for you.
Shanice, that's much.
They can't talk.
Shanice, that's much.
I saw no one video and I talk.
Somebody can let me put it right here.
So Shanice, what the idea? What kind of idea about your cupcake? What your plan? Where are you aim for? You don't know where you aim for. You just work with your mind and anything come up.
I just want to make
So what your plan, Sanji?
Galaxy surrounding.
Okay.
Well, my plan is to do a rainbow, which looks like a unicorn. Vomit.
Justin, what's your plan?
the plan of spread the ice right here, so, and just put them here right on the cupcake.
Alright.
Should I be here?
Well, I know I don't see nobody that follow the technique when I show, so we see how it come out.
Khadija, one of the best cupcake to go.
For your baby.
Oh, 600 there and
Sanji, you feed the cupcake and we not in a video, no? Catch him and eat it. Catch him and eat it.
I'm done. Nobody eat here one, Shanice, guys, if you're sure.
Your own fish, the whole of them to go one place, so people are going to...
Nobody follow
Them are going to mark them. And all, feel like a Khadija go win the first one. Even though Khadija method cranny and disgusting. But it look better than that one they over there. So probably this man will win all this. Because them also will do flavors. Come. Design it now. Now put no more ice in pan there. Put whatever you have.
Nobody waste the pan that, Shanice. Because that don't pack up here something. No, come smile for the camera, Sanji. Come smile. Smile for the camera. It's more blue. level.
When it take out icing.
Some more food here.
This full of color, eh?
You want sweet to go drink water?
Oh, this is full enough.
Every time when you dip, you're not supposed to rub off back on this. Dip in the water.
Yeah.
Nobody now look on me. First, Miss Khadija
Me not done.
with a different method. No, I know you're not finished, darling. So, Judge, what you think so far?
It's a stiff competition. I put the most spice.
They're going to kick Slim Man.
Come here, boy.
Take it.
So people comment who win this round. The cupcakes. This was done by the person who is videoing now,
No, wait.
aka Chef Henry. These are done by the contestants, and I would like you guys to subscribe while watching this video.
Subscribe. Comment.
And my one looks good. You want to taste it? No, she on next. I can never share this cupcake with anybody.
When she done more on it, with half.
When she, no, Shani
Hey,
said
Siva.
Mika than me.
Move it.
Shani said Mika then Khadija then.
Me did ask before
Justin
Khadija.
asked before Khadija, so Khadija. May I go for one string then?
Yeah. You're not good there, no, you're happy.
Don't put no more on that, Chani. That light and you know what? No. People, I watch
But which cupcake is the best, looks the best,
Comment down below.
and which one is presentable? Presentable.
Comment
below. Remember to subscribe again.
which one on that put in on the store?
Comment down
Yeah.
below round 1, who won, and round
Alright.
2 who won. And round 3.
But
And
be-
you're gonna comment who won.
But before to comment, say this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Comment anyone you want.
And well,
Nah, wait till she finish.
you have to wait till it comes.
Why if you eat one and then cupcake? I'm going to get my different dish. Different everything.
So this is the third round and the final for this round. These are number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Comment below
Who won this
won
round?
this round. And remember guys, third and last time, to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell down below.